Hi folks, I'm Stan from Wealth Success Reviews, and I'm here today to talk about the special offer from Self-Development Network. Today it's sleep programming. They've been running specials all week long at 75% off, one day only specials. And sleep program, this may be their best offer of the week, although I don't have it myself. Let me say that it's regularly a $130 product. It's under $40, and it covers just about every area that you would be interested in improving in your life, from self-esteem and confidence to de-stressing, luck, law of attraction, weight loss, you name it, they pretty much cover it. It's a whole series of CDs. I don't know how many it is. I first started, it's a highly effective process. They've done some things in these audios that I think are quite unnecessary. They've put in music and they put in the different, let's try that again. Brainwave entrainment tones. I don't see the necessity for that, because your mind is already in theta and delta sleep, where your mind is really open to suggestion. So you put on an audio for 6 to 8 hours. It doesn't have to have all this music and stuff. It just needs to be a voice, and it can significantly program your mind. I started studying the research on this way back in the 1960s. This is not something that's really new. It's been around for quite a while, and I've experimented with it since the 1960s. At that time, they were studying both programming the mind, and also they were trying something called sleep learning. Well, sleep learning, they thought they tried to teach people languages in their sleep, and mathematics and all different types of things, and that pretty much turned out to be a flop. But they did discover that sleep programming, programming the mind with suggestions, was highly effective, that you could change a person's outlook on life, that you could improve, almost any area of your life with sleep programming. And, it has some, hypnosis does much the same thing, but hypnosis is limited to maybe a 1-hour session, where this is 6 to 8 hours long. As long as you're asleep, you're programming your mind. So I highly recommend sleep programming. I don't necessarily think that you have to get this system. If you have something like Alan Tutt's Embraces, you could play that all night long. It would be highly effective. Or you could make your own, or any other, affirmation type album that you may have, and you may make your own affirmations. In fact, in research, they've shown that your subconscious mind is most sensitive to your own voice. So it might be highly effective to create your own affirmations and use that for sleep programming. In fact, what I've done, I'm posting a separate page that Alan Tutt wrote on how to create effective affirmations, and that'll be up in the menu bar at the top of my page. It'll just say affirmations, and if you click there, you can learn how to properly write affirmations to be effective. So this looks like a good deal. But like I say, you could use any affirmation album that you have. In fact, they have Bradley Thompson even has one called Self-Talk, which is another of his products, which is loaded with affirmations. You could use that, or you can buy this product, which is specifically designed for sleep programming. Although, as I say, it went to some unnecessary lengths. I just don't see the cause to use brainwave entrainment when you're already, at the level that you're looking for brainwave entrainment to bring you to. Anyway, consider using sleep programming, whether you use this or Alan Tutt's Embraces, or you create your own, or you use some other affirmation audios that you have, it should be highly effective for you. You might not notice the effect yourself at first. It's likely one of your coworkers, friends, going to come up to you and say, "What's going on? You've become, so happy recently," or your work is so much better, or your lover might realize that you're being far more sensitive. You might not notice it yourself, but others will. It really is a highly effective system, and whether you buy the system or create your own or use another product, sleep programming works very well, and I highly suggest that you try it out. Alright, that's all for today. Down below this video on my website, I'll have a link to the affirmations page that I told you about, a link to Embraces, and I'll have the promotion from Self-Development Network for this product that they are selling today, which is sleep programming. And either way, whatever you do, sleep programming is effective. Anyway, get out there, enjoy the day. It's early. You got a whole beautiful day ahead of you. So, carpe diem, seize the day. Bye now.